Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. I'll show you how to switch out any image in your Canva design in seconds. Click Create to start your new project. Select Custom Size and enter 300 by 300 pixels for the dimensions. Next, navigate to the Elements tab. From there, search for and select a mockup element to add to your canvas for this demonstration. Here you'll see all the available mockups. Simply browse through the options and select any mockup you like to use for your project. Select this example image. Next, drag and drop a photo into the workspace to demonstrate the process. We'll show how to remove the original image or replace it with the new one. Follow along as we make these adjustments step by step for clarity. Double-click the mockup to begin editing. Next, select the touch image located on the left side of the screen. Once selected, click to remove the image from the mockup. This process allows you to easily edit or replace images within your mockup, giving you full control over the visual elements in your project. Click the image you want to remove, then press the Delete key on your keyboard or click the Delete button. To replace it, simply drag a new photo into the frame. Drop the new image where the old one was, and it will automatically update in the frame. Drag and drop your new image onto the design. The old image will be replaced automatically. This is how you quickly swap out an image in Canva by simply dragging and dropping the new one in place. Now you know how to easily swap images in Canva. Like and subscribe for more handy design tips.